This is a YouTube channel. I was supposed to start like 4 years ago, but I didn't because I had some valid excuses. Like we all know, to make good quality videos, you need a camera and a mic. I also needed a powerful laptop, maybe a Mac instead. And finally, a guide on how to tell unforgettable stories. I mean, I have all of that now, but this is me. I was with procrastination last night, and she's a bad bitch. So I went out with a friend and an iPhone to shoot something, anything. And just create freely as I used to before I started trying to be perfect. And if I can tell my younger self anything, I would say, hey, big head, you can't create perfection. You can only be honest with what you create. And if somehow people are able to connect with it on an emotional level, they will say, this is perfect to me. And it's never within your control. So let go of that unrealistic goal. Stop over analyzing things. Stop overthinking. And just do it.
I'm screwed. Ooh, I can hear my own heart breaking. Hear my heart break. Do you hear the sound of my heart breaking over you?
This is supposed to be the end, but I have more stories to tell, so it's really just the beginning. Thanks for watching this one. Peace and love.